Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everybody. So again, welcome to Oliveboard for the live mock analysis of CGL. Now, so first of all, how was the mock for this week? I've heard from various sources from many of our students that this week's mock was very good. This week's mock was very good and up to the level and everybody. So all the feedbacks that I've got was mostly positive this week. So chalo, let's solve the mock quickly. And again, apologies for a little delay in starting. So there was some technical issue and there is some issue I was facing. So hence the 15-minute delay. I'm starting the session 15. So I had to kind of postpone it by 15 minutes. Now, first question is D and D prime are the diagonals of a rhombus. Okay. D by 2 is given. D prime by 2 is also given. Acha, half the area of the rhombus. Sir, area of the rhombus is half into D prime. Right? We all know this, half into product of the diagonals. Now again, they are asking another half. Acha, let's do one thing. Sir, half into D, it is given. D by 2, it is 14. This is 14, sir. And this half into D prime, this is also given as 26. So ultimately my answer is 14 into 26. 14 into 26. And you see, you don't need to multiply. 6 into 4, my answer will end in 4. Right? 6 fours are 24. So unit digit is 4. Look for the option that is ending in 4. That is option D. That's my answer. Then, so first question was very simple. Option D, 364 is the answer. Very simple. Right? I hope this is clear. Next one, sir. Probability. Okay, let's see. A bag contains 5 fair coins, okay, and 3 double-headed coins. Okay, perfect. One coin is chosen at random and tossed 3 times. All 3 tosses resulted in heads. What is the acha, sir? It's a Bayes theorem question. Now again, it's a Bayes theorem question. Now again, from if you are one from my batches, I have gone into details of Bayes theorem. TPT and BT, I told you. BT is TPT, like one like special case of TPT. Total probability theorem is Bayes theorem, right? Chalo, let's understand. And for those who don't know TPT, BT, so it's okay. I'll just go into as much concise without using Bayes theorem. I'll try to explain. But again, concept is Bayes theorem, so we have to do, like kind of go. If I don't want to mention it, it is not mentioned. Chalo, 5 fair coins and 3 double-headed coins. Now, let's understand what will happen in case of fair coins. Sir, first of all, there are total 8 coins, sir. There are total 8 coins. Try to understand, sir. Now, I will pick what? You see, one coin is chosen. First things first. You tell me in how, like, what is the probability that I will I'll choose one of the fair coins. So you will say out of these 8 coins, 5 are fair. So that means 5 out of 8 times I will choose the fair coin, and 3 out of 8 times I will choose what? The double-headed coins, meaning both the sides are heads. Right? This much is clear. Now, the question is, if I now choose the fair coins, now I'll toss it 3 times. Both the times it will be heads. All 3 times I'll get heads. Now, in case of a like normal coin, a unbiased coin, what is the probability of getting a head? Sir, you will say, sir, that is half, sir. That is half. That is half means, so first time I'll get half. Second time the probability of getting the second coin like toss as head, that is also half. Third time, that is also half. Now, what about this? The double-headed coin, the biased coin. So you see, in this particular coin, double-headed coin means both the sides are head. So meaning whatever side we get, it is always a head. So it's a certain event. I'll get always, the probability of getting a head is 1. 100 upon 100 times I'll get one. Like I'll get a head only. So here, the probability of getting a head first time, 1. Second time, 1. Third time, 1. So total probability is 1. And here the total probability is 1 by 8. Right? So now from this branch, branch means, now you see, there are two branches here, meaning from 8 coins, either I can go in this direction, sir, meaning I've chosen fair coin and I've tossed those fair coins. So here the total probability I'm getting is 5 by 8. You see, total work, meaning I will choose the coin, then I'll start tossing it. So 5 by 8 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, meaning 1 by 8, which is 5 divided by 64. Now, please understand. And if I decide to go with this branch, it is, first I'll choose it. That probability is 3 by 8. Then, sir, 1 into 1 into 1, which is 1, sir. That is 3 by 8. Right? Now, TPT, what is total probability theorem? For those who don't know, sir, total probability theorem is nothing but the sum of all the branches. Sum of the probabilities of all the branches. It is your total probability of getting 3 heads. Meaning, in how many ways you can get all 3 heads. If the question was like this, if this part was not there, if they were asking you what is the probability that we will get all 3 coin tosses as heads, then your answer would have been 5 by 64 plus 3 by 8. Whatever is that, that is your answer. That is the total probability. That is what we get from total probability theorem. But here that they have gone one step further. They are saying, tell me. So now they are saying, all we know now, all 3 coin tosses are heads. Tell me then what is the probability that all 3, the coin came from the second situation. Coin came from this second situation. So this is the part of Bayes theorem, this last part. This is where we'll use Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is saying what? Bayes theorem is saying, bhai dekho, the denominator, it is always total. That is the definition of probability. Total probability theorem, you put total probability in denominator, meaning these two sum. 5 by 64 plus 3 by 8. And what is the numerator, sir? If they are asking what is the probability that the chosen coin is a non-biased coin or an unbiased coin, then I'll put this as your numerator. But over here, they're asking chosen coin is double-headed. Double-headed coin means this is the probability. Put that in the numerator. That's your answer. Now do a little bit of calculation. 3 by 8 by, so this is, sir, into 8 into 8. 64. And sir, this is 24, 29, sir. So this is 8. So 24 by 29 is the answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B is your correct answer. Now again, very, very, very conceptual part this. If you don't know, I will suggest, because the new pattern has given so much like emphasis on probability, permutation, combination, I would strongly recommend you guys to at least understand this much. Okay, a little bit into this I have gone in this channel. I've done like a couple of weeks back only. Not every question will be difficult, but again, a few questions here of this level you should expect in one of the shifts or couple of shifts. Sir, next one. The speed of a train is given. It halts at 5 junction for the same period of 12 minutes each. So total 5 halts, 12 minutes, meaning total 1 hour, sir. Right? Because 5 12 is 60, 1 hour. It covers this much distance in 19 hours. No, sir. It covers this much distance in 18 hours actually. Why? Because out of 19, it is standing, it is stationary for 1 hour. So what is the value of S, meaning speed? Sir, 1152 distance by speed, time. Time is not 19 but 18, sir. Calculate kar lo, sir. Calculate this. Acha. Now, please understand, calculation, how will we do it? Like, will we do? Now, you can do it normally, 18 8s are 108 and stuff. Let me say one thing. So, 8 into how much gives you ending digit 2? That is, sir, 18 into 60, that will be ending in 0, cannot be. 18 into 2, 8 2s are 16, cannot be. 18 4s are 32, this too can be the answer. But now again, sir, 18 into 54, 18 into 5 is 900, meaning 18 into 50, plus 18 into 4 is 72, sir. So that is 972, it is greater. So my answer is option A, sir. You see, not everything needs or not everything requires your calculation. सब कुछ के लिए calculation नहीं लगता. Right? So again, you need to understand this. You need to understand this. Chalo, next one, sir. Next one, sir. Everybody. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Everybody. Next question. The monthly expenses of a person is 400 by 3% more. Sorry. This much more than his monthly savings. Okay. Income expenditure question. Sir, income expenditure question. We know income is expenditure per plus savings, sir. Chalo. Savings 400 by 3%. What does it mean, sir? Percentage means by 100. By 100 meaning 1 by 100. Double zero, double zero. So that means 4 by 3 more. So meaning, sir, if my savings is 3 rupees, right? So expenditure is 4 plus 3, 7 rupees. Correct? So income is 7 plus 3, 10 rupees. Because 10 is equal to 7 plus 3. This is one thing. Now, increments are given 40%, 60%. So do one thing. So this is 100, 110, 10. Because calculations will be now easier. So I'm like guessing or I'm like assuming savings is 30, expenditure 70, income 100. Now monthly income increases by 60%. So it becomes 160, sir. Right? Expenses increase by 40%. So 4 sevens are 28, meaning it becomes 98 rupees. Sir, what will be savings, sir? Sir, minus kar do. So that means 62 rupees. Increment is 32 rupees, sir. Right? What was the initial expenditure? Initial expenditure. Achha. Sir, 32 rupees is equal to 1024. So 32 square is 1024. So meaning it the multiple is into 32. Correct? So initial expenditure is 70. So your answer will be 70 into 32, sir. Correct? So 3, 7, 21, 22, 22, 22, 40 is there. Option 4 is the answer. Right? Now another short trick. Sir, once you have seen what is the initial expenditure, that is what they are asking. Sir, initial expenditure I have assumed 70. And this is kind of, and you see, if I don't take 70, then these values will be in fractions. That cannot happen. I have to assume the data in such a manner that all these values are in integers. So that means initial expenditure 70. So my answer has to be a multiple of 7 and 10. Meaning my first of all answer has to end with 0. So first option gone, sir. 32 is not multiple of 7. 96 is not multiple because 98 is a multiple. 224, so this is definitely a multiple. That's the only answer. You can skip the entire question just from after writing this line. If you are smart enough and if you are practiced enough, you will be able to answer in one line. In one line, sir. Please understand. This is how things actually go. This is how actually things go. Perfect. Caught, sir. 1 is the answer. Sir, again, मैं चिल्ला के this thing I've gone for this. I have gone for this multiple times. Sir, 78 degree, there are 3 angles here. 47 degree, 55 degree. Sir, add them now. 7 and 4, sir. 110 and this is, sir, 15. That means, sir, 125 plus 55. So that is 180 degree. I told you, if A plus B plus C equal to pi, meaning 180 degree. That is a property of triangle. Then cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A is equal to 1. And the same thing happens for tan as well. Same thing can be written for tan. The only change is here A plus B plus C for tan has to be pi by 2 or 90 degree. This is for tan, sir. This is for tan. So in that case, you can write tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus tan C, tan A is 1. Remember this. This is very important. You get questions from here directly. So your answer is most definitely 1. No need to solve. कुछ नहीं लगता इसमें. Sir, difference between the possible maximum and minimum value of x. Acha, if this is divisible, acha chalo. So 3 is divisible, 6 is divisible, 8, 7. So the whole number is divisible. Meaning the minimum value of x is 0, sir. Because if I put 0, then the whole number itself is divisible. And the maximum value is the maximum multiple of 3. Like from 0 to 9. So that number is 9 itself. The difference is 9 minus 0 is 9. That's your answer in one line. It might look very big. It is actually a two-liner question. 2 lines itself. 2 lines itself. Option B is the correct answer, sir. Next one. So ladder fraction. Again, I'm not going into shortcuts. I don't think you need to remember shortcuts for this. एक line का question. Sir, this is -5. अच्छा, चलो एक बार लिख लेते हैं, so I can edit on that. 1 minus 1 by 1. Achha, sir, this is -5. So this minus will go here. So 1 minus 6 by 5. Correct? Now 6 by 5 means what, sir? So you see, this is minus 1 by 5. This is minus 1 by 5. This minus goes there. So this is. Again, this means 5. 1 by 1 by 5. That means 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, sir. 6 by 6 is 1, sir. 1 minus 1 is 0, sir. So you don't need to solve anything. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Practically, I guess, the easiest question so far. The easiest question so far, right? Chalo. Time and work question. In a heritage restoration project, artisan A alone would complete intricate wood carving, okay, in 30 days, working 5 hours a day, meaning 150 hours, sir. 150 hours. Don't keep it like this. Always take it into 1 unit. Okay. Artisan B would finish 6 into 20. That means 120 hours. Okay. They work together and अच्छा, बाद में. Story. First things first. Efficiency चाहिए. Sir, A ratio B, I need efficiency ratio, sir. So then A is doing 150, put that below B, and B is doing 120, so put that here. Sir, 3 4s, 3 5s. So this is 4 ratio 5. This is your efficiency ratio. Done. 4 ratio 5. Now they are asking, acha, total work also let's figure out. वो भी कर लेते हैं, sir. Sir, A can do 4 units every day. And he is taking 150 hours. So that means totally 600 units. That is the total work, total amount of work. Now, they work together for 8 days at their respective hours. Achha. Sir, A 5 hours a day. And every hour, this much. 4 units. So every day, 4 into 5, 20 hours. Sorry, 4 into 5, 20 units. 20 units into 8 days, sir. 8 twos are 160 units are done, sir. Correct? एक second. 5 hours a day, 4 units, 20. हाँ sir, ठीक है. Now, what about B, sir? B works 6 hours a day. B can work 6 hours a day and 5 units per hour. So 5, 6 are 30. 30 into 8, that is 240. 240 units have been done, sir. So this is total work done in 8 days. So total 240, 160 is 400. Out of 600, 400 units of work is done. So remaining is 200 units. Now who will do it? Then B doubles his daily hours and A continues at 5 hours. How many more days they will need? Achha, I don't know how many days. We'll figure it out. Sir, every day's efficiency, let's figure out. A continues to work 5 hours at 4 hours, like 4 units per hour. So A will do 20 units every day and B will do, sir, 6 hours a day. Now B is working 12 hours a day. 12 into 5, that is 60 units per day. So the answer will be 200 by 80. Sir, this is 2.5. 2.5 is the answer. That is option number B, sir. Which is option number B. Very, very, very simple question. But again, very good quality question. You needed to do, you see, what they have done, they have made this a little lengthy by putting this hour concept into this. Just that much only they have done. That is the extra thing that they have done. Nothing else. Next one. Acha, line meets this. Acha sir, first things first. X-axis means y is equal to 0. So B is not there. Sir, A. Sir, you can do two things. First things first, what I generally do. Sir, 8x plus 5y is 14, sir. So do things like if you want to convert, you can do like two things. X by, so what we do, we are dividing by 40 to get to the intercept form. So this will be x by 5. This is the value of A, sir. Always, whatever is below x. This is the value of A. This is called x-intercept. So that means my answer 5 into 5, 25. That's your answer, option number C, sir. Option number C. Okay. Otherwise, what you can do if you are not comfortable in this? Let me say one thing. Sir, y is 0. That means in this equation also you can put y is 0. So you will get 8x is equal to 40. So from there also you'll get x equal to 5. Both of these works. So whichever you feel easy, most of you will feel that second one to be easy. But again, if the question is a little on the difficult side, the first method will only work. Okay? Chalo. Chalo, sir. First things first. A9, B this, C this. Okay, chalo. A cube, 729. B cube, acha, B minus means these two both will be minus. 3 cube, 27. C cube, 216. So 702 minus 216. 400, yes, sir. 486. First statement is correct, sir. Definitely. Second one. 2a plus b is this. 2ab is this. Sir, this is incorrect. We don't need to do. Why? Sir, 36 square itself is 1296. And you see, if you do whole square in this, it will become, sir, 2a whole square. Or rather, I'm just writing it directly. This is 4a square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, meaning 4ab. That is 1296. So how can this be 1296? Because this is already, we know 2ab is 48, so this will be 96. So this is going to be 1200, sir. This cannot be 1296, so this is wrong. This itself is definitely wrong. So this is not right. So only A, option A, only A is the answer. Huh? No, there is some mistake. There is some mistake. क्या दिया ये दिया वाह, what a calculation. 4a square b square is 96 and the last line also of 1296. No. Absolutely wrong. This is not right. Only A is the answer. So please correct it. I'll ask the team to correct it. I'll ask the content team to correct it. Garbare. So there is a little mistake. Okay. Again, everybody makes a mistake. There was a mistake from the content team. Just give me a second. I'm sweating too much. Just give me a second. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Now, 4.2-meter tall boy, 31 root 3 meter away from a shopping mall. Okay. The angle of elevation, acha, top of the shopping mall, is 60 degree. This is 60 degrees. Sir. This is 4.2 meter. Baapre. Giraffe jasa. 4.2 meter is almost 1.5 floors. Right. 3 meters is equivalent to 10 feet. Acha. So 60 degree. Acha. The height of the mall. Acha, this is 31 root 3. Acha, this is 31 root 3 means this is 31 root 3. So this height, let's figure it out. This much only. So 60. This is 1 unit. So this is root 3 units. So this is root 3 into 31 root 3. This is going to be 31 into 3. That is 93 meters. Now again, this is 4.2 means this is also 4.2. So your answer is 93 and 4.2, 97.2. 97.2, that is option B, sir. Again, couple of lines only. Again, a couple of lines only, not more than that. Not more than that. Absolutely a couple of lines. Right? Absolutely a couple of lines only. Not a single unit more than that. Simple, simple, sir. Absolutely simple. Correct? Chalo, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, sir. Ratio of volume and curved surface area of cylinder. So radius I'll get from this one line. Sir. Volume is pi r square h. Again, this ratio concept I have given so many things in the foundation batch. I told you, you need to understand, you need to learn how to interpret ratios directly. I told you guys how you have to understand, you have to learn how to interpret the ratios directly. Dekho, curved surface area, sir, that is 2 pi r h. Correct? It is 15 by 32. Now, if you're smart enough, you will not write all these things. You will say, sir, acha, this is 16. So R is 15 by 16. Acha, circumference means 2 pi r. 44 by 7 into R. Sir, 4 4s, 4 11s. I don't think we can do anything. 165 by 28. Sir, option B is the answer, sir. Option B is the answer. You don't need to do anything, sir. Simple question, keep it simple. That's all. Sir, again, sir. Melted and recasted. Volume same. Only one thing, volume is same. Now again, you can divide readily or you can take n, whatever you want to do. Chalo. Radius 6, hemispherical bowl of radius, I guess. Okay, there is a printing mistake. It should be given radius or something. Radius hi hoga, sir. So radius, it is hemisphere 2/3 of pi r cube. 12 into 12 into 12. Right? Or, you see, if you are good with calculation, you write 12 cube. Why? Because I can see the value is 6. Why? I'll explain. And also, don't put value of pi. Why? Both these like structures have pi in it. So it will cancel. So equal to, sir, I don't know how many balls. So n number of balls. And this is radius. So it is balls means it will be a sphere. So 4/3 pi r cube, sir. I don't. Acha, r is 6. 6 cube. Sir, 6 is half of 12. So 6 cube by like 12 cube by 6 cube. 12 by 6 is 2. Cube is there means it will be this also. So again, 3 cancels, pi cancels. So again, 2 and this is 2 and 2, so this is 2 square. So the value of n comes out to be 2 square, which is 4 sir. Now, don't leave. I'll explain a very beautiful thing here. Now, once you understand this, now again, I told you guys, I've taught you guys these things only, keep like in the foundation. So please understand, this is 6, this is 12, double, meaning multiple of 2. And pi will cancel, 3 will cancel because by 3 will be there in both sides. And 2 by 3, 4 by 3. Again, a multiple of 2 will come. 2 and 4, multiple of 2. So meaning, whatever happens, whatever cancellations, everything will cancel. My answer will be a multiple of 2 only, sir. I should say, rather, not a multiple of 2, rather, power of 2 only, sir. Because there will be 2's left only from every side. It has to be a power of 2. Sir, 3 cannot be, 5 cannot be, 6 also. It's a multiple of 2, but not a power of 2. So only possible answer is 4 if you are confident enough. If you have solved hundreds of questions like this, you will say 4 will be the answer. I am confident enough. But again, if you have only solved 10, then you will not have the confidence to mark it in the exam. Clear, sir? Clear, everyone? Chalo, chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Let's move on. Acha. Solution 75% milk, rest water. Part of अरे अच्छा 3 दे दिया अरे तब तो अच्छा चलो let me show you a shortcut. Listen to me for the next 2 minutes very carefully. You will, there's a beautiful solution for this. Okay, for this solution I'll give you a very good solution. ठीक है sir, milk and water. It's a PYQ. This type of question have been asked in CGL multiple times. Sir, 75% milk. So water is 25%. So meaning the ratio is 3:1. And now what has been what has happened? Some part of the solution has been removed and replaced with water. And now the ratio of milk and water is, now please understand, sir. Please understand. It has been replaced by same amount of water. Correct? So that means we have not touched milk. Milk is there as it is. Only thing happened, sir, when we are taking a part of the solution out, along with that, some part of solution milk has also been taken out. Please understand. Why? Because the replacement concept is saying, sir, if there is, say for example, in this question only, sir, 75% milk and 25% water. So if I'm taking 10 liters out of this, let's say, so that means in this 10 liters, there will be 75% milk and 25% water only. Meaning, like whatever was the initial milk, udhar se sir, whatever I've taken out, in the same ratio will be like in same ratio only, milk and water will be gone. But again, I'm like kind of replacing this with same amount of water. Now, the basic concept, everybody, I'm hoping you guys know. The best way, if you don't know, the best way is to take one part. The initial solution is like a quantity is one part, and from there I have taken out x parts. And you can make a simple equation. Why? Because the you can make it the simple equation on quantity of milk, because I have not added any more milk from outside. This is constant, not exactly constant, but again, you get the point. But again, I'll show you the solution. Please understand the innovative or the best way to think on these questions. A little mechanical, I must admit. But again, sir, make the milk same. And again, you see the beauty of this question is I don't need to do that. That is automatically done in the question. initial part and the final part both are given as same automatically. So that means it is kind of telling us ki use this shortcut, use this shortcut. What do you do? Sir, what is the total initially, sir? Total or this is an afterwards, sir? Total afterwards is 3 plus 4, that is 7 parts, sir. And this is actually 3 plus 1, sir. You'll say 4 parts. Remember, sir, this is always called the remaining. And this is always the total. That means how much parts or what part of the solution I've taken out. Sir, 4 parts is remaining out of 7 parts. That means I've taken out 3 parts out of 7 parts. That's my answer, option number A, sir. It is the best way. This is one way, like in the solution in one line. But again, now you might say, sir, why are you taking remaining? Why are you taking this remaining? Why are you taking this? So that for that, just make this equation. You will automatically get the answer to this question in one line. This is very, very, very simple. Clear, sir? Chalo, moving on. Moving on, sir. Next one. Acha, hexadecimal system. Acha, chalo, sir, hexadecimal means 16. Okay? You see, you can understand this by from this. 16 is the given. 16 is given. So 16 में क्या है ना sir? 999. So divide this by 16. And the like everything is like kind of has to do with what? It has to do with the remainder. So 16. 16 6 are 96. 3 9. 16 2s are 32. 7 is the remainder. Acha, remainder I'm writing here. Remainder. So this is 7. Right? Now we have 62. Divide this 62 by 16, sir. So this is how much? 16 3s are 48. 48 means 50, 12, 14. 14 is the remainder. Right? 14 is the remainder and 3. So 3 by 16, sir. It is 0 times and sir 3 is the remainder. Correct? Now, sir. Sir, hexadecimal system. We will always consider remainders. So please understand, if you don't already know this, the remainder is till what? It is till 15. The remainders can be till 15. So the rule is, if the remainder is from 0 to 9, we keep it as it is. But the problem starts from 10 to 15. 10 is considered A, 11 is considered B, 12 is considered C, 13 is considered D, 14 is considered E, and 15 is considered F. 16 means again it will go another cycle, right? So my answer will be, sir, always opposite. So 3, 14 means, sir, E, and 7, base 16. Look at the options. 3E, 7, 16, option D, sir. That's the answer. Sorry. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir, always. Absolutely clear. So this is how you figure out. This is how you figure out or convert into hexadecimal. Now, how many different acute angle triangles? Acute angle scalene triangles, okay? Acha. Sir, first things first. Two conditions here. Sir, first things. Sir, for any triangle, sum of two sides must be greater. And yes, sir, acute angle scalene triangle means, sir, so Pythagoras ka corollaries, the corollaries of Pythagoras. You remember, na? Equal means it is right angle, greater means acute, less means obtuse angle. You guys remember this? So you just need to calculate. Now we need to calculate. 19 is the perimeter, meaning it is given A plus B plus C is 19. Bapre. Sir, 6. So, sir, if I take like equal or almost equal, so this is 666 or rather 667. Again, sir, I cannot do that because scalene triangle they have told us. So meaning, sir, I would take 7, 8. So 15 gone, so the other will be 4. This is the first one. I'll start checking. This will be a little lengthy, I guess, because I have to check. There is no method, magic method to give you anything. You are getting my point. And 19 means I'll divide by 3. So 3 6 are 18. So if it was 18, so 666. But again, scaling, meaning all three sides will be different. So 7, 8, 4 SLER. Correct, sir? So if I take this, let's see now, sir. So A plus B. So let's take the smaller two. So like this is matching. Let's take this. 7 square 49 plus 16. Is it greater than 64? Sir, 50 has a 65, this one, right? Sorry. No, sir. No, sir. This is not matching. This is not matching, right? This is not matching. मैच कर रहा है क्या? एक सेकंड. अरे यार, हाँ मैच तो हो रहा है. 50, 65. हाँ sir, this is matching. 65, this is 65. Yes, it is matching. अच्छा, let's make this 8. This is 9. 8 and 9 sir, 17. So this is 2 then. I don't think it will match anymore. I do not think. करके देखते sir. Because I'll always take this smaller one ना. Or rather 8 square 64 plus 4 68. Nowhere close to 9 square 81. This will not match, sir. Acha, that means anything more than this, it is not matching. Let's try something less. So if I take this 6 and this is 7, 13 gone. 13 means this is 5, right? 6 and 5, 11. Sorry, no, this is not 5, this is 6. So no, not possible. 6 is not possible because if I take 1, 6, if I take 6 and 8, then it is possible 5, right? Sir, 8, 5, 13. हाँ, this is possible. एक बार check कर लेते हैं sir. 6 square and 5 square. 36 plus 25. Sir, this is 35, 25. 60, 61. No, sir, this is also not possible. This is less than 64. So I'm only getting one pair. The answer is 1, sir. How many different triangles possible, sir? Only one pair is possible. Only one pair, such pair is possible, sir. That is the answer. This now you see in the question in the exam, this is not a question you should attempt first. This is always only if you have time you go for this. Otherwise, leave it on the first screening. On that detailed strategy, I'll take a session like this week only on I guess 18th on the Friday. Last minute strategy लेके थोड़ा बात करेंगे. Sir, coefficient of range, maximum minus coefficient of range is, so range is what? Max minus mean by max plus mean. Just put the value, sir. Maximum value is here, this, minimum is this. So these two, 7 and 4, 47, sir, right? 47, yeah. Answer the sum, 160, 171, sir. अरे बाप रे, calculation. चलो करो. 171.47.0.2, sir. 342, 28, 1. 0, sir. 171, 17, 7. 1197. Sir, 27, yes, sir. Option B, sir. Option B is the answer. You see, just 27. Because you see, why I have taken, now you might say, sir, why in the world you have taken 20, like 7, not 8? Because it was looking 8 se jayega zyada. You see, 2, then there is no option to 8. And I was quite sure it cannot be 171 into 9. That is too much. So I was quite sure if it is like it is 29 is quite like kind of unlikely. So I've just checked with 27. That's my answer. Clear, sir? Clear. So again, always keep an eye out on the like look out for the options. Always helps you reduce the calculations by so much. क्या दिया है? AHL is the diameter of a circle and G is the point on a circle. चलो बनाते हैं. This is diameter HL. Okay, HL. G is a point that KG is perpendicular to HL. अच्छा, I got it. अच्छा, L. अच्छा, अच्छा. Sorry. This is K and this is G. If radius is 21, okay, radius is 21, ठीक है. This is important info. GL is 36. This is given as 36. अच्छा, length of KL. KL is what? अच्छा, this part. अरे, अच्छा, it's very simple. It's not very difficult. अच्छा. Sir, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Why? This is a semicircular angle. Okay. Naresh, acha. If you guys are okay, I'll like to give you a shortcut. Here I have in this channel only, I have discussed this multiple times. But again, I don't know how many of you guys remember. I will give you, you can solve this in one line. Why? This has nothing to do with the circle, understand, sir? This is a property of triangle. This circle is given just to make sure that this is a 90-degree triangle. In my geometry series, which is available in a playlist in this channel, I have shown you the proof of Pythagoras theorem as well. And from this diagram only Pythagoras theorem comes. This 90-degree and this. And one such proof I told you, if you have this 90 and this is also 90, this one, this triangle GHK, GKL and the big one GHL, all three triangles are similar to each other. And if you write down the theorem or the Thalas's theorem for this similarity, you get two important results. What results, sir? Kya results? Sir, GL square. This GL square, this side, it is equal to, sir, this whole thing HL into this part, sir, KL. And same thing you can do this side as well. Before that, let's complete this. Sir, GL square is given as 36 is equal to HL. Sir, HL is what? HL is diameter. Sir, radius is given as 21. Diameter is 42. What are they asking? They are asking KL, sir. एक लाइन में निकल गया सर. 6 sevens. अच्छा, this is what? This एक सेकंड. हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? अरे 36 स्क्वायर था ना. एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, माय मिस्टेक. अच्छा, this is 36 into 36. Sorry. This is 36 square, na? So this is 36 into 36. So 6, this is this. So KL is 216 by 7. 730, 30 whole 6 by 7, sir. 30 whole 6 by 7, option number C, sir. Option number C, sir. Okay. Now, one more thing here. Same thing you can do over in this part of the circle. Same thing. What? Sir, always remember in this question, sir, this GL tha ye, theek hai? So the same thing over here, if you write GH square, it will be, sir, this side. It is equal to, sir, the whole thing HL square, HL into, sir, this part here. HK. This is two properties. And sir, for those, just I'm repeating this. If anybody wants, add these two equations. G8 square plus GL square. Add these two equations. Sir, AHL is common in both the sides. So I'm just adding it. AHL common. So this side I'm getting HK. This side I'm getting KL. And tell me what will be the next line. AHL and HK plus KL. If I add, what will you get from this line? From this diagram. HK is this part. AKL is this part. Add them, you will get another HL only. And you see, we have just proved Pythagoras theorem. We have just proved Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this is why थोड़ा थोड़ा proofs भी सीखना जरूरी है. This is why you need to remember a little bit, not everything. Okay. Otherwise, you had to prove like many things here. चलो जल्दी से करते हैं. अच्छा, coefficient of skewness. Coefficient of skewness. How many of you have done this? Just give me a second. Just let me have a sip of water. Just let me have a sip of water, please. चलो सर. Coefficient of skewness, sir. Again, 0 point minus 0.36. It is what, sir? 3 into mean minus median. Mean minus median by SD or sigma given. This is sigma, right? This is, sir, just put in the values. This is just to uncheck whether you know this or not. Sir, minus mean is what, sir? Mean 82, okay? Minus median. Acha, median I need to find. Acha, find the median. Okay, sir. Median by SD is given as 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 you take this side. So it will become 1.8, sir. Is equal to 82 minus median. So median will become, sir, 83.8, sir. That's your answer. 83.8, option D. Option D, 83.8 is most definitely your correct answer. Perfect, sir. Chalo jaldi se next one. Different like some arrangements, sir. Sir, first things first. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 factorial. By. Sir, common letters. P, 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 1 P, 2 P. 2 factorial. R, 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 no R's. S, 1S, 2S. दिख नहीं रहा. U, I can see 3s. 1, 2, 3. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? RE. Anything that I've missed? P, I've taken E, M, T, O, U, R, E, M, T, O. No, sir. This is all. चलो कैलकुलेशन तो करना पड़ेगा. कैलकुलेशन तो करना होगा सर. सर रुक जाओ, इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन. जस्ट अ सेकंड सर. प्रिजम्पशस. चलो लेट्स डू. क्या ही करे. अच्छा, ऑप्शन में 10 फैक्टोरियल, 12 factorial, 9, 11. So the smallest factorial that is there is 9. So I'll not break after 9. 9 factorial, smallest, so I'll keep it. So 12 into 11 into 10, sir. 2 factorial, 2 factorial, these are 4. 2 factorial is 2 only. And 3 factorial is 6. 6, 2, 2, 5. 55 into 9 factorial is there in the answer. Yes, sir. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer, sir. Okay, I don't need to do anything. Chalo khatam. Next. So simple interest. Certain sum, this much in 1.5, this much in 4.5. So difference. How much, sir? 210 and 80, 290 rupees, 290. In how many years? 4.5, 1.5. So 3 years. What is the principal? Sir, it's very simple. So 3-year interest is this much. So 1.5-year interest, sir. Sir, it is 145 rupees. So principal will be, sir, 4790. This is principal plus interest. Sir, minus you do interest. So this will be, sir, 145. So last में 45 रहेगा. अच्छा वो दोनों में है. So you do 46. 46, 45. Option C is the answer. 46, 45, which is option number C. That is your correct answer, sir. Simple question. This was simple. But again, there is a good mix of questions today. Some easy, some like thoda acha. Very good mix. Very, very good mix. Acha. Cost of 5 small packets of pens contains 5 pens each. This 8 large packs. This acha discount. Acha. Sir, cost of each pen. Sir, 5 small packs containing 5 pens. Total 25 pens. So cost of each pen in small pack is by this. So this is 16 rupees. 16 rupees a pen. Achha, 8 large packs of 8 pens each, meaning 64 pens. That is 921.6. So each pen price is by 16. Sorry, by 64. बाप रे 9216 बहुत जाना पहचाना वैल्यू है 64 square is 9216 ना 64 square is 9216 no 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 9216 is 96 square 1696 yes sir 96 square sir this is 96 into 96 by 64 into 10 let's do it like this 8 8s 12s 8 12s 140 14.4 okay so 16 rupees per pen here 14.4 rupees per pen so discount is 10% you see 16 rupees 10% discount is 1.6 rupees less which is 14.4 rupees so you don't need to calculate the last part that is 10% it's very simple it is very simple the last part itself is very 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 simple next one sir Acha, length of the part intercepted. Sir, you need the intercept form. What do you do? Sir, again, divide by 420. Sir, 12x by 420. Because right hand side, it should always be 1 plus 35y by 420. It is equal to 1. 420 by 420. So 12 35s are this. Correct? 35 12s are this. So x by 35 plus y by 12 is 1. Sir, understand the visualize the graph. So this will look something like this. This length is 35 units, the x-axis, and this length is 12 units. And this is 90 degree. So it's a Pythagorean triplet set 12, 35, and this is 37. That will be your answer. So they are asking this length, intercept length. So that is 37. Option A is the answer. Option A is most definitely your correct answer. You see, not difficult. Chalo, last couple of questions. Partnership. A started a business 20,000, 14 months. It's a total end of 2 years, meaning total 24 months business. A, B, and C. How many zeros? 30,000. So thousands, thousands, thousands. Hatao. Okay. 20 rupees. Acha. B joined A 4 months from. Acha. So A was there for all 24 months. 14 months B joined A. So meaning B acha, by investing 18 rupees was there for 10 months, sir. Last 10 months. After 4 months from B, meaning for the last 6 months, C joined with 30 rupees for the last 6 months. Calculate, sir. 6 से जाएगा सर. हाँ, 6340000. Anything more? I don't think so. So this is 833. This is the PSR, profit sharing ratio, sir. Correct? Done. The total share of profit of B and C. Total, sir, 6 parts. Out of, sir, 6 and 8, sir, 14 parts. You see, total 18, sorry, 14. And total profit is this of 434,000, sir. 14 threes are this, ones are this, 00. So 18,600 rupees. 18,600 option number C, sir. Option C, 18,600 is the correct answer. Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir. Last question, sir. Quadratic. Sir, again, it's a very simple equation. Sum of roots are 5. Alpha plus beta is 5. And alpha into beta is 6. And again, you don't need this. From here, you should be able to say x ka value is 3 and 2. You should be able to say this. One alpha is 3, another is 2. You can say this from here as well. Two numbers, sum is 5, multiplication is 6. Numbers are 3 and 2. Sir, one number, sir. 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 2 square. Right? 3 into 2 plus 2 square. 6 plus 4, that is 10. Another is, sir, like 3 square plus this, that is 15, sir. 9 plus 6. So 10 and 15, sir. So your equation will be x square minus 25x plus 150 is 0. Either you do this or check the options. Sir, first option mein hi baitha hai. Option A is most definitely your correct answer. And that is where we will be like ending the class. Very, very good solution. Very, very good like set for the like today. I felt few questions were of very good quality and few questions were very easily doable. Around 40 is a very good marks in this particular set. Okay. So thank you so much. I hope everybody have understood this. Any questions, any queries, anything at all, feel free to use the comment section to get to me. Okay. And again, if you have liked this session, please do hit the like and share it. And all the best for your CGL examinations as well. It is starting. And definitely, if I can help you in any other way, feel free to use it. Like, feel free to reach out. Tomorrow, I'll take another session. This week, I'll take 2 more sessions just to kind of get you guys ready for the final showdown. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.